guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. You guys, this hair looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Like literally, it is so gorgeous. I absolutely love this texture. I actually don't have anything in the hair. I do want you guys to know I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck the hairline. So I love how natural it's giving. As you guys can see, it's giving natural. I don't have any baby hairs because for me, when it comes to curly hair, the least you do, the more it's going to actually last and not tangle. So do be sure to remember that when you are doing like your hair care routine. Don't put too many products in the hair. I literally just have water from washing it and conditioning it. I just rinsed it out and then combed through it with a Denman brush, let it air dry overnight. So this is just it air drying from last night. Absolutely love the curls. They're so shaky, so bouncy, so full of life. So if you guys are interested in today's video, I absolutely love this hair, then keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So I'm back with another wig install from my favorite Luvmehair. This is today's unit, you guys. I'm actually really excited about it. It's giving natural hair, kinky curly. I didn't put anything in it. I did wash it and I did manage to bleach the knots. I didn't pluck it because normally I do, but I did not pluck it. The inside of the wig does have like an adjustable strap that you can put on, and then it's got clips at the back. So what I will do is just clip this together. This is gonna be a super easy wig install. So this is like melty type of lace. So I absolutely love it. Okay, so this is where it will be sitting on my face. As you guys can see, it looks really nice and the lace is barely there. I do think that the knots bleached really well. As you guys can see, I kind of over bleached a little bit of the knots, but they bleached really well. I love the length of this hair. This is giving 16-inch, and of course when you pull curly hair, it does get a little longer. I love it. I'm gonna just wear a traditional middle part and kind of like vroom it up a bit because this hair is super gorgeous. So let's just pop into this install together. Okay, as always, we will just be using our little spray. I don't have a mirror. So I'm going to just be winging it, doing the best I can. But it does come out with water, so like don't be afraid. It dries pretty fast. I normally just take anything. Okay, now that it's a bit tacky, we're gonna go in. My only mirror is this viewfinder. So we just need to make sure it's where we want it. So I'll hold it there for a bit because it kind of hasn't really had time to set, okay? So I'm gonna hold it here just until I feel like it's set enough, and then I go in with my comb. And then I just briefly go like that. Comb your hair back a bit, and then we're gonna go in with an elastic band. You can use the melt belt that came with it. Use whatever you have. Like I always say, the longer you keep this on, the better. I love how I be talking in my videos because sometimes when I watch back my ones where I'm not explaining and just have the music going, I'm like, well damn, I would have wanted to know what I was doing or how difficult it was to do that piece, you know, because sometimes the wig community or the wig bloggers just make it look so easy. Granted, it is pretty easy, but some people make it look like, oh, they didn't struggle with that piece, and they may have. When it comes to cutting the lace, because like I told you guys, I don't have a mirror in front of me, I will be using a razor blade. Get a sharp one, get a new one. These are like 50 cents at your beauty supply. You can get a whole bulk of them from Amazon. You need it to be super sharp, otherwise it's gonna cut really bad. The next thing I do is I just cut a line in the middle, and then I take this because I'm gonna come back and it's gonna already be cut off, and then I go down. I've noticed that going down instead of going to the side is easier. You can actually see what you're cutting off when you're going down. This way you're kind of like winging it and you're hoping for the best. So definitely go down when you are cutting with the razor. It's gonna change your life. It's gonna be so much easier. And then I'll show you guys how we briefly style it. Like I said, this is a super quick wig install. I like to keep curly wigs as natural looking as possible because some people say that their curly wigs tangle, and I feel like the less product the better, because we're always trying to do this magnificent curly hair routine on these curls, bantu knots, and it's gonna tangle. Like if you do all that extra stuff, it's gonna tangle. For wigs, the minimal, easiest possible, like easy peasy, just put it on your head and go. This is no curl definition in there. I just washed it and used a Denman brush and this is how the curls are looking. Like, it's looking really juicy and really beautiful, okay? So I'm gonna come back with it already cut off. I normally cut it off with you guys, so if you guys are interested in that, do be sure to check out some of my other videos. But I don't have a mirror right now. Mine's a small mirror, and I need to see so I don't mess up, okay? Okay, so I've cut off the lace, and then I just put the band back on because some of the edges on the side were coming up. I did not respray the hairline. Normally I do, like if it's like super coming up, then I will respray the hairline. Otherwise, I've realized I like the way it looks just freshly cut, and that's it. Because sometimes when you respray the hairline, it kind of slickens the hair too much unless you're going for that like sleek look. But if you're not, then definitely don't do that. I've only had this on for like a minute or two because I'm impatient. So far, this is what the hairline looks like. To me, it looks really good. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of lifting edges, but it looks really good. So at this point, what I am going to do is simply finger comb. I told you guys it was a super easy install. I really do prefer my hair when it comes to curly hair. I don't like the sleek watered down look, like, you know, it wet. I get that. I achieve that look when I am washing the hair. I just like it. I like to, you know, shake out the back. I could turn around for you because I'm sure somebody wants me to. Okay, so I love it. This is it. This is how I'm going to wear the hair. It's super pretty. The curls are so bomb. I love the length. Like if you're looking for a curly hair for the summer, sometimes it's too hot to be rocking 20 inches of curls. So this is 16. Great length. The next wig install that I have is going to be like 22 inches of curly hair. But sometimes you just need a good little everyday throw in and go wig. It's so damn cute. I really do enjoy this curl pattern. It's so soft, it's so luscious. Like I said, I did bleach the knots. I did not pluck the hairline. For me, when it comes to curly wigs, I like to keep them as natural as possible. I do feel like this hairline is single knotted, so it's giving ultra natural, super beautiful. I absolutely love this hair. It's very comfortable. It's definitely big head friendly, small head friendly. I love how customizable this wig is. So if you guys have been looking for a wig that looks like this, like just your own natural hair, easy peasy, the parting space is given 13 by 6, and then on the side is giving more, it's kind of smaller on the side, okay? Like this big parting space on the side. So you don't have that much room to play with on the side, but if you did want to put it up in like a half up, half down, you do have that option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick beginner friendly wig install. I am absolutely here for this. I could even have it even more fluffy, okay? I like big hair, don't care kind of thing, but I do feel like this definitely looks very natural and very cute. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.